children, a very warm good morning to all of you. Welcome to Standard 1 Moral Science class. Children, this is my first video of this week, so with hope you all will watch this video. Children, today I am going to start new chapter, chapter 6, and the name of the chapter is here, truthfulness. Children, today we will talk about the truthfulness. What do you mean by truthfulness? Then after we will start our subject. Okay, then after we will read the book. So first of all, student, what do you mean by truthfulness? As you can see, it has written here, with truthfulness. What? With truthfulness we can progress and have success. Yeah, if we speak truth. Yes, children, we should always speak truth. We should never speak lie. Okay, children, so what is telling here? With truthfulness we can progress and have success in life. Yes, and have success in life. When the holy attribute is established in man, all the other quality will also become realized. So children, we should always speak and truth. So we should always be honest. Yes, because honest means to be truthful, and it is a great moral virtue. Yes, and it brings lots of qualities in a mind, and also this it makes the person great. When you will speak truth, children, it will make you great. Okay, and also it helps the maintaining the peace of mind. Yes, whenever you will not speak to lie, that you will always feel very nice, and also it makes us bold, and it is very valuable. So that's why it is said that honesty is the best policy. So now children, we will read this book. Everyone will take out your book and read turn the chapter 6. You all will read with me this chapter. The name of this chapter is here, children, the truthful King Solomon. Yes, this is the picture of Solomon. He was truthful person. So in this story we will know, we will read, and we will know, we will get information about the truthful Solomon, and we will also watch what will happen in this story. Okay, so what is it has written? King Solomon. What it has written, children? King Solomon. Okay, King Solomon was a truthful man. Yes, King Solomon was a truthful man. And one day Solomon happened being a carry large basket when a man running to him. Yes, King Solomon was a truthful person. Yeah, he was very truthful. He never speak lie. One day what happened, children? One day Solomon happened to be carrying a large basket. Yes, he carrying a large basket, as you can see in this picture. Also, to be carrying a large basket when a man came running, and while going carrying a basket, a man running to him. And what happened? And man was saying, please protect me, an enemy is after my life, quick get it. Then Solomon, what he said? He said, quick get into this basket, just so come fast and just get it into this basket. After that, what happened? So, and then when the Solomon put the basket on again his head, soon the man's enemy came to Solomon. And now after that, enemy is saying, have you seen a man pass by here? So Solomon was truthful man. He was saying, yes, he is in this basket on my head. And so enemy thought, come on man, this is not a time for joking. You are saying what you are saying, this man is in this basket. What you are saying? So come on man, this time is not to joking, not need to be funny. So just speak. Where have you seen or not? The truth is what I have told you. Whatever is truth, I am saying to you, yes, this child is inside in my basket, please check. Then after what happened, the enemy did not believe. How we will believe because he truthful Solomon was telling truth. So enemy did not believe him and resumed his case. Again he started to running. The enemy is gone, you can come out now. So after that Solomon said to that boy, so okay, enemy has gone, now you can come out. After that what happened, Solomon, that's why it is said that the truthful is a great virtue. Oh Solomon almost died of fear. Why did you tell him that I was in the basket on your head? Who is telling? This boy saying, oh Solomon, how you are truthful, you have told and you were not died to fears. Why did you tell him? So Solomon said, deliverance is in truthfulness. Had I told him differently, he would not have believed me and would have probably killed both of us. If it's okay, if he probably maybe believe that he will kill both of us, but I will never speak lie. So children, what you have learned from this story, we should always speak we should always speak truth, we should never speak lie, okay, because that's why it is said that honesty is the best policy. Now some words, hard words is there of this page, so you everyone just underline this word like truthfulness, TRUTH, truth, FULNESS, truthfulness. Progress, PROGRESS, progress. Success, SUCCESS, success. Qualities, QUALITIES, qualities. Solomon, SOLOMON, Solomon. Carrying, CARRYING, carrying. Basket, BASKET, basket. PROTECT, protect. ENEMY, enemy. JOKING, joking. BELIEVE, believe. Resume, case, virtue and deliverance. So children, you all will underline this word and you will write down in copy. So with hope you all have understood very nicely. In today you will read this chapter and try to understand, okay, you all, and also underline the hard words. Okay, so for today I would like to say you thank you and have a good day.